Welcome back to HH Wheels. Today we're back wrenching on our 1968 Baja Beetle. In the last episode, you saw us struggling to get this thing running again. Upon further inspection, we found out we had a few wiring gremlins and a bad starter.
Yeah.
After fixing those issues, we tried to fire it up. I'm praying this works because I'm not sure what else we're gonna do if it doesn't work.
Hooking up the battery. All right, fire now. Come on, baby. Trying again. Fire now.
Do it again.
I mean, it's getting power, it's just not getting enough power, I don't think.
After testing the battery and all of the wiring connections, my next possible culprit was the key cylinder. I took it apart, cleaned all the terminals, and put it back in. Stop! It's backfiring. So it's timing. Do it again. Try it. There you go. Good. I got it running again, finally. After playing with the adjustments on the carburetor and timing it a little bit better, it was time for a test drive.
Is she pushing it? So you didn't get very far.
No, I didn't make it at all.
Pump. Florida gas.
Basically, to sum it up, the starter worked intermittently. So sometimes it would start no problem, and then sometimes it just wouldn't start at all. This was one of those cases where it started just fine when I left the garage, took it out, it died. I tried to turn it over again, and it didn't want to start.
What was that?
I'm so done with this car.
Excitement.
I'm not excited about it anymore. I'm not. Because this has been the worst Volkswagen I've ever owned.
We fixed all the grounds. Everything
we
is,
fixed everything.
all the wires are right.
Everything's fixed.
So go get some fresh gas.
Well, we got it running and driving. Well, it didn't have second or fourth last time because it had zero fluid in it, so now's the time to test it out. I don't have fourth.
Try it again so I get on film. That's hilarious.
That's what it did before. Houdini. Well, that's probably transaxle related, not so much fluid related. Okay, well, good news. We are back on the Baja Horizon. We did a little bit more work to it today. I stupidly didn't film any of that because I was just kind of over it. But we were able to play with the carburetor a little bit more and kind of get some adjustments right. Played with the timing, and I think we got it right. Here comes Chris. I'd give it like a solid, what, 7 out of 10?
12 out of 10.
Nice little bit of Baja you did over there.
How you like my little maneuvers? I'm glad we adjusted the timing because the engine is much more responsive and seems way happier.
Good. We did manage to polish it, and it actually looks pretty nice.
It's really nice.
It looks even better on camera. We tried to bring out the true yellow of it. It looks a lot more yellow on camera than it does in person. It's like more like of a pale chartreuse, I guess you could call it. But we were able to kind of refinish the paint a little bit because there is literally zero finish left on this. So, but at least it looks appealing enough for somebody to purchase, and if they want to spend the time, you know, getting it super buffed and polished, or putting a coat of clear, or just completely redoing the paint all over again, the possibilities are endless on that one. Still have a few more things to finish. I need to finish looming up some of the wires and just kind of buttoning up tiny things, and I always say that and then it turns into bigger things, but I actually think we have just a bunch of tiny things left. So yeah, one step closer to listing this baby and sending it off to a new home. Although we were unable to remedy the transaxle issue, we decided it was best to make the new owner aware and sell it as is. We gave it a good cleaning, spiffed it up a little, took some good photos, and listed it. After a single day on the market, we got an offer at $5,500 and I accepted. I had a good chat with the new owner, Aaron, got a deposit, and they came for a pickup a few days later. Okay, well, we ran into some issues getting ready to pull the Baja out here for the owners to come pick it up, and starter is crap. The starter we decided to put on it no longer works, and I cannot get a starter until Monday because it's Friday now. So I'm gonna try and take the starter off of my car and install it on the Baja and hopefully get it running, because that starter is like no good and mine's fine, and I'll just let my car sit for the weekend. At least I'll be able to have a car that runs and drives. Like that, it's going to a good home. Congrats to Aaron and Jennifer. Very excited for you guys. It was nice to meet you, Jennifer. Hopefully, Aaron, you enjoy it when you get home. I am sorry about the starter. Go figure. Life, cars, and I'm covered in dirt. I hope you guys enjoyed the saga of the Baja. It is finally on its way home to a new, good home that's gonna love it and treat it how it deserves to be treated. Thank you so much for watching this episode of HHWheels. I'm gonna have to shower. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like, comment what Beetle you want to see us do next. Get out there and get wrenching, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.